You might think a stadium is built piece by piece on the ground, but today, much of it starts inside a factory. In a US facility, the process begins with raw American steel and high-strength concrete. Engineers use 3D computer models to design every single bolt and beam with laser precision. First, we look at the skeletons. Giant robotic arms weld massive steel plates together. These steel frames will eventually hold the weight of 70,000 screaming fans. While the steel is being cut, another part of the factory is pouring the precast concrete. This isn't your backyard concrete. It's reinforced with a web of steel cables for extreme durability. Once the concrete sets, it's vibrated to remove air bubbles, making it smooth and rock-hard. Now comes the pre-assembly. We start building the bathrooms and concessions right here. Instead of plumbing at the windy construction site, it's done here in a dry, controlled shop. Even the luxury suites are built as separate boxes, complete with wiring and drywall. By building inside, we avoid rain delays and extreme heat, keeping the quality perfect. Next is the quality check. Every weld is X-rayed to ensure there are no hidden cracks. If a single bolt hole is off by a millimeter, the whole stadium won't fit together. Now these massive parts are painted with special coatings to prevent rust for the next 50 years. Once dry, the logistics nightmare begins. These parts are too big for normal trucks. The oversized loads travel across state lines, escorted by police to the final site. Back at the stadium site, the foundation is already waiting for its factory-made parts. Giant cranes, some of the largest in the world, lift the factory pieces into place. It's like a giant puzzle. The steel rakers are bolted to the concrete columns. Then the factory-poured concrete treads, the stairs you walk on, are laid down. Because they were made in a factory, they fit together with zero gaps. While the bowl is being built, the modular concession stands are dropped in by crane. This plug-and-play method saves nearly 30% of the time compared to old-school building. Now for the roof. In many US factories, huge fabric membranes are cut by lasers. This fabric is stronger than steel but light enough to let the sun shine through. Finally, the seats. Thousands of plastic chairs are molded and shipped in batches. Each seat is bolted into the factory-drilled holes in the concrete. The grass or turf is the final touch, often grown on specialized farms and rolled out. From a factory floor to a roaring crowd, that's how we build the modern coliseums. Next time you're at a game, remember, your seat was likely built months ago in a factory.